POV. You versus a 900 degrees Fahrenheit Inferno. Can this fire helmet cam survive? Spoiler, it does. You're in the thick of it, fire blazing, adrenaline surging, and your so-called tough tech fizzles out faster than a wet match. You're left with grainy footage, audio static, or worse, nothing at all. Hours of chaos, courage, and action, gone. Sound familiar? Yeah, you're not alone. Most cameras tap out when things get real. No visibility. No detail. No proof. You're risking it all, and your gear? It's chillin. We get it. That frustration hits different when you're counting on tech to tell the story. But hey, there's a fix that actually holds up in the flames. Imagine, it's 900 degrees Fahrenheit inside, smoke thick as soup, and all you hear is radio static and your own heartbeat. You're pushing through hell to save lives, and all your cam captured? A blurry mess, maybe a black screen if you're lucky. Missed footage means missed insights, zero playback for training, and no documentation when it counts. Now you're the one under the microscope. Burnout builds. Your team deserves better. You deserve better. That's why weak sauce gear is more than an inconvenience, it's a liability. It's high-stakes time-wasting wrapped in cheap plastic. Don't let bad tech burn your ops. Built by Firefighters, for Firefighters, the Firecam Onyx isn't just tough, it's a beast. With a rugged anodized aluminum body and heat-resistant lens, it laughs at extreme heat, up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, no cap. Crystal clear 4K resolution? Check. Audio mode for radio chatter? Yup. Low light optimization and wide-angle footage that captures everything? Absolutely. This bad boy records in 4K at 30 fps, or buttery 1080 at 120 fps, and comes ready with a helmet mount, dual end caps, and a 32GB SD card to lock it all down. This isn't just a camera. It's your personal historian, in HD. You get razor-sharp playback, smooth image stabilization, and options like timestamps, time-lapse, loop recording, even auto-record on power. Translation? You focus on the fire. Onyx handles the footage. No more second-guessing. No more dropped frames. Just pro-level video for review, evidence, and bragging rights. Thousands of firefighters already trust the Onyx to document the real deal, why not you? Whether you're battling a 2-alarm blaze or reviewing post-incident tactics, this cam delivers with zero drama. Hit the link, get the specs, and take the first step toward gear that respects the job. Limited quantities. High demand. Because when a cam actually works inside an Inferno, people talk fast. Firecam is the name trusted across departments for one reason: it works when nothing else does. Join the thousands of pros already filming the flames and owning their narrative. Ready to level up? Click now. Don't wait for another failed clip or missed moment. This is your chance to record the fire, not fumble it. Your crew's counting on you. You've earned this upgrade. Seize it. Be the firehouse legend with the clearest footage in the game.